We spend hours working on Excel, creating formulas, editing them, correcting them, working on power pivots, working on pivot tables, creating calculated fields in that, working with Power Query. It takes hours. But what if I tell you all those can be done in 90% less time and more efficiently by using Claude? How we can use Claude? We don't have to go to claude.com to use it. We can just integrate Excel with Claude and then you see the magic. How we can do so? First, go to your browser and search Claude for Excel. Claude for Excel. The first link that comes from claude.com, use that. Go to install now and see here you see get it now. You click on it, you have to log in and you have to follow the steps. It's very intuitive. Please do it. I won't be showing the entire process because it will take a lot of time. So coming back, once we have that installed, remember Claude can only be used in Excel if we have paid a tier. It does not work with free tiers. Okay, so you go to Claude. On the right hand side you see once it's connected you'll see Claude icon. If you don't see, you can comment down, I'll help you set it up. Claude. Okay, now you see this is how your screen looks like. Here it's a blank Excel. Let's see. I say create a sample data set for sales team which consists of product, location, amount and inventory left, and you see the magic. It takes some time, but bear with me. You need to allow. Yeah, see this. Now we have this. In the next video, I'll show you how we can work with formulas, how we can work with pivot tables. If you liked it, please comment, like and share. Thank you.